The United Nations General Assembly at its 75th session in March 2021 declared 2023 the International Year of Millets on India's call. Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, is the lead agency for celebrating the year in collaboration with other relevant stakeholders. The International Year of Millets 2023 will be an opportunity to raise awareness of, and direct policy attention to the nutritional and health benefits of millets and their suitability for cultivation under adverse and changing climatic conditions. The year will also promote the sustainable production of millets, while highlighting their potential to provide new sustainable market opportunities for producers and consumers.